Hello guys and welcome back to GosTech. Today we will learn how to make a personal brand settings for your project. On the left side, click on Brand. Brand Kits is for paid version, but we will try some colors for free. As you see, for example, logos are premium, more than 3 colors are also premium, then fonts, brand voices, photos, graphics, icons are also for paid version. Let's try for example 3 colors. As you see, you can't add more colors on free version. Okay, now, let's go to design to try. Let's try for example a logo. Then go to colors. As you see, here you choose in brand colors. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.